Hi, I'm Issa Glasson with Green Builder Media, and I'm here at the Center of Employment Training in San Jose with Jon Bogle here with Rheem Manufacturing, and we're here for Heat Pump Week, and he's going to explain a little bit more about that.
Yeah, thank you, Issa. So we are part of California Heat Pump Partnership's Heat Pump Week, and we are out here in San Jose this morning doing a workforce development event where we're training the next generation of plumbers and HVAC technicians on heat pump technology. We were also doing some installs yesterday of heat pumps on both the heating and air and the water side at 2 homes in Richmond, California, as part of the Electrify My Block program. So we're proud to be a part of that. And so Heat Pump Week is a nationwide movement to encourage people to adopt heat pump technology.
Great, thank you, Jon.
Yeah.
First question, so what's driving Rheem's push around heat pumps right now, especially in the context of community impact and sustainability?
Yeah, so sustainability is really one of the cornerstones of Rheem's corporate philosophy. It is one of our founding principles as a company, and it is very important to us. And heat pump technology represents the most efficient way that we have currently to heat water or to heat air, heat and cool air. So heat pumps represent the future. And Rheem, as a manufacturer of both HVAC and water heaters, are at the forefront of that technology.
And then this leads me into my next question about cost. A lot of homeowners and builders are worried about costs. So how is Rheem and heat pump technology addressing concerns of accessibility and affordability?
Yeah. So speaking, for example, about a heat pump water heater, yes, it is a little bit more expensive up front, but homeowners will find that the payback is remarkably quick for something like a heat pump water heater. We're talking about hundreds of dollars a year that you can save in energy bills versus a traditional electric water heater, or even versus a gas water heater. So there's the payback, but then there's also incentives that we have available through local municipalities, through your utility providers that also help offset the cost.
Right. Okay. And then if a homeowner or builder is on the fence, what is one thing you'd like them to understand about heat pumps?
Yeah.
Or what is something that sets it apart?
Yeah, so the first thing is it works, right? You can have all the sustainability in the world that you're not going to be happy if you don't have hot water, right? So it's important that the technology works, and these heat pump water heaters are remarkably efficient and remarkably good at heating water. So there's a lot of benefits for the homeowner in terms of adopting it, and you really do have that added benefit of lowering your carbon footprint, your impact that you're having on the environment, and your home's overall efficiency.
Thank you, Jon.
Yeah, thank you.